Hello, I'm Michael Rashad, and in this video we're going to talk about Splatter, and I'm going to show you some of the things you can do with it. Now, Splatter is an incredibly fun brush to use. You might not think it is, but believe me, it is. And it's one you experiment with, you have a lot of fun with. You go crazy with it. You use the Splatter tool, you use bright colors, different colors, lots of colors. You blur, you try again, you keep going until you get the effect you're looking for. And then once you've done that, then you can use that as the basis for a very interesting coloring job. So anyway, just watch this quick video. I'll show you how it's done, and you'll see, you should get an idea of what you can do with it, and have fun with it. So let's take a quick look at some of the different ways that you can use Splatter, or the ways that I've used Splatter, but you can do the same. It just requires some experimentation, and you should always be experimenting. If you want to get really good at something, you've got to practice and practice and try and fail until you succeed. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's helped you. Love to hear your comments. Thanks for watching. This is Michael Rashad from The Art of Art. Bye bye.